Have you noticed the dollar creeping higher in Baghdad and the Kurdistan region? Today, Sunday's trading brought another spike, and it's catching the attention of dinar holders everywhere. According to a Shafak News market survey, the US dollar closed at higher rates across both Baghdad and the Kurdistan region. In Baghdad, major exchanges like Al-Kifah and Al-Harithiya recorded 145,850 dinars per $100, up from 145,200 dinars in the morning. That's a noticeable increase in just a single trading day. Local exchange shops in Baghdad sold the dollar at 146,500 dinars, while buying prices were around 145,500 dinars. These numbers highlight a continuing trend that many dinar holders are watching closely. In the Kurdistan region, the dollar edged higher as well. In Erbil, selling prices reached 144,400 dinars per $100 and buying prices were 144,300 dinars. The difference between Baghdad and Erbil reflects regional market dynamics, liquidity, and demand. Small changes in buying and selling rates might seem minor, but for holders of large amounts of dinar, even small movements can add up. Why are these increases significant? They show ongoing volatility in Iraq's currency markets. Traders are actively responding to supply and demand pressures, and the slight upward movement of the dollar indicates more people are seeking cash dollars in local markets. The numbers also provide insight into how parallel and official markets operate side by side. While central exchanges report official rates, local exchange shops reflect real-time buying pressures, showing what people actually pay for dollars. Breaking down the Baghdad numbers further, the morning rate was 145,200 per $100, while the closing rate reached 145,850 per $100. That's an increase of 650 dinars in a single day, roughly 0.45%, which may seem small but can be noticeable for holders of larger sums. In local shops, selling prices reached 146,500 dinars, while buying prices were 145,500 dinars. This buy-sell spread indicates the margin traders use to cover risk, operational costs, and immediate cash needs. In Erbil, the spread is smaller, with selling at 144,400 and buying at 144,300, reflecting a slightly tighter market, likely due to lower volume compared to Baghdad. Several factors could explain this upward movement. Increased demand for cash dollars from traders and businesses, especially before upcoming expenses, can push rates higher. Liquidity issues in official channels sometimes push people toward local exchanges. Market sentiment and speculation, even small rumors or news about currency or government policies, can influence buying and selling behavior. It is important for holders to understand that these movements don't necessarily indicate a permanent trend. They often reflect short-term adjustments in the local market. For people holding Iraqi dinars, there are some key points to keep in mind. Daily fluctuations are normal, and the difference between morning and evening rates doesn't mean the currency is crashing. It is wise to monitor official exchange rates and compare them with local shop rates to get a full picture of the market. Avoid panic buying or selling based on a single day's movement. Currency markets move gradually, not instantly. Understanding spreads, regional differences, and trading patterns helps holders make informed decisions rather than reacting to rumors or fear. Looking at the broader picture, small daily increases like today's are part of normal market behavior. Baghdad tends to show slightly higher rates than Erbil due to volume and demand, but over time, these regional differences often even out. For holders, the focus should be on long-term trends rather than daily swings. The market has mechanisms to absorb fluctuations, and parallel markets exist to allow traders to adjust without creating chaos. To recap, the dollar closed higher in Baghdad at 145,850 per $100 and in Erbil at 144,400 per $100. Local shops show slightly higher selling rates due to immediate demand. These movements reflect normal market activity and short-term demand, not sudden shocks. For anyone following the Iraqi dinar in 2026, keeping a clear view of exchange trends, market spreads, and regional differences is essential. Staying informed, monitoring rates, and focusing on verified updates rather than speculation is key. Small daily increases are part of the market's rhythm, not a sign of crisis, and understanding these dynamics helps dinar holders make calm, informed decisions.